Hey.
Hello.
I'm here with I'm here with my Midnight Blue 2009 Malibu, and my key fob doesn't work anymore. See, I press the button.
Hold on.
I'm pressing it. Nothing happens. I'm pressing. Nothing happens. Pop the trunk. Nothing happens.
Nothing.
Ridiculous.
Nothing.
I know the battery's okay. If I press the horn button, it works. So what's up? The battery's okay. But what's wrong with the other three buttons? Turns out there's a great repair. Let's go inside and see what it is.
Okay.
Is the counter counting?
It says rake.
Oh, okay. And there's a seconds, minutes, and seconds counter that's counting upwards?
Yes.
All right, we're back in my lovely lady friend's sunlit dining room area. Oh no, come in, come closer.
No, I want to show you, at least you don't
you've got a big shot of me. Here I am, folks.
Yes.
Let's look inside the key fob, because this is the star of the show. So first we gotta pop the key fob open, and then when you take it apart, you see that there's the rubbery gasket, the buttons themselves.
Can you do it a little bit slower? Yeah, and the other side.
And then there's the other side, thank you.
Very nice.
So, if you can see, these circuits here are closed, are connected when the button pushes down on them. And this little dot presumably is some sort of conductive material that lets the circuit close. And it's working fine on the horn, which you can see is a little stained. I think maybe the dealer put some sort of grease or conductive material on it.
Where?
See how the horn area has got a discoloration? They must have put some kind of goop or something to improve the conductivity. Anyway, we got to get more conductivity on these buttons because we know the battery works. This is not my idea, but I'm doing to dramatize. Some other person online suggested using this sort of metallic tape that you'd use to patch gutters or furnace and air conditioning ducts. So I'm punching out little dots of silvery metallic foil. I'm punching them.
Do you need
I'm punching them. No, I'll get it. This will be funny on YouTube.
I can bring you tweezers. Tweezers?
Look. There we go. See, so now we've got a silvery dot. And it's got a sticky back.
So it has two sides. One of them is silvery and the other one is sticky.
Well, right. One is silvery and one is covered with the paper and is sticky.
Very nice.
And we stick it down right in there. We give it a good press. And I suppose if maybe your silver dot isn't quite sticky enough, you could use a little tiny drop of glue. Although I would imagine just the tiniest drop of glue would be more than enough, because you don't want to gunk it up. I'm going to punch out a couple more dots. Here are my dots. Let's put them in.
So easy.
And it looks like it's from the factory. Like maybe this is how they should have done it in the first place.
But they can make $100.
By selling you another one, yes. When you go to the dealer to ask,
so why should
hey, can I buy a new remote?
Exactly.
They're happy to give you one. This is probably going to need a little dollop of glue, but I think it'll
just
stick.
try another one.
It'll stick for our purposes for now, for demo purposes. And put this one in.
You are so smart.
I'm glad I did my nails before we did this demo.
Nail and your hair.
Okay, let's put it back together. Put it all back together and let's go outside and see if it works. I don't know if it's going to work. It should work. It worked on this one. Let's see if it works on this one. Okay, come on, let's go. One continuous shot. No coat needed. Okay, I'm gonna press the button. Horn. Okay, me in the car, me in Midnight Blue, pressing the button.
Oh, this is a great shot. Because your hand is very close and the car is very far, so it seems like your hand is covering the car.
And will it pop the trunk? Aha! Victory! Victory!
Wow! Do it again, do it again.
Do it again, she says. Trunk!
Wow! Wow!
Locks open. Locks closed. And it's peppy too, because I found that it was getting tired.
Yes.
Sometimes open, sometimes not. Even with a new battery. But now it's lightning response. So that's it. That's my YouTube tip.
Wow! Mr. Fender did it again.
My able assistant.
Press here.
Good luck. Yes.